Hello everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome to my channel. So in this video, let us solve one more problem on both KCL and KVL. So this is the circuit given and they asked us to find the value of the Vs. So first of all, let us read on the circuit in order to solve the problem. So as they asked us to solve the problem by using KCL and KVL, I am taking the nodes A, B, C, D, N, E, F here and G. So by redrawing the circuit, we have the nodes A, B, C, D, E, F, G and the voltages V1, V2, V3 and V, which is given in the question, and the current flowing from A to B, that is IAB, B to G, IBC, B to C, IBC and C to F, ICF and D to E, that is ID. So in order to solve the problem, to apply KVL, so we require a closed loop. So we can see that here the current ID is flowing and the so in the branch DE, so D to E, the current flowing is ID. So what is the voltage over here? Here we have 1 ohms. So what is the value of ID from Ohm's law? V by 1. So ID is equal to V amperes. So this is the one of the condition which is useful in order to solve the problem. So firstly V2. So here we have V2 and this is a closed loop. So V2 here, if you consider it is a battery V2, here it is supplying V2. So then V2 is equal to V1 plus V1, which is nothing but VDE plus VCD. So V2 is equal to, that is VCF, that is equal to VCD. So this is 1 plus VDE. So by applying Ohm's law, VCD is equal to I D. So here the current flowing is IDE. IDE into 2 ohms plus V. So VD is equal to V. So here we already have the voltage value as V. So IDE into 2 plus V. So from this, what is the value of ID we previously got? That is ID is equal to V. So substitute this value here. 2V plus V, that is equal to 3V. So V2 value is 3V. So from this, here we got a condition that is V2 is equal to 3V. And now we got the value of V2. So we can easily find out the value of ICF. So ICF is equal to V by R. So what is the voltage over V2? 3V. 3V by, what is the ohm resistor value? 1 ohm. So that is equal to ICF is equal to 3 volts. So next, now let us see this circuit. So from this V3, so here we consider this is as the battery and these two are the voltages. So V3 is equal to VBC plus VCF. So VBC plus VCF. So from this, if you see the value of V, here we don't know the value of VBC, voltage across V and C, but we can find using the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. So VB is equal to IR. So here the value of the IBC is nothing but the addition of ICF plus ID, because this current is divided into ICF and ID. So here the current flowing IBC is divided into ICF and ID. So if you consider it is as a node, then the sum of currents entering is equal to sum of currents leaving. Then IBC is equal to IDC plus ICF. IDE plus ICF. So in place of IBC, I am writing IDE plus ICF. IDE plus ICF. So into 2 ohms resistor we have. So 2 ohms plus VCF. So what is the VCF we previously got? That is equal to 3 volts. So 3V. So from this IDE plus ICF, we know the value of IDE as V plus ICF, that is equal to V plus 3V, 4V into 2 plus 3V, that is equal to 11V. So again, so these two loops are completed. So now let us see this one in order to find the value of the Vs. Now in the same way, IAB is equal to, what we can say, IAB is equal to IBC, IBC, because this current is flowing over here. So IAB is equal to IBC plus IBC. nothing but KCL. Sum of currents at the junction leaving and entering are equal. What is the value of IBC? We don't know. So that is V by R. So here the voltage is V3 at IBC. V3 by, and the resistance is 1 by 1 plus IBC. What is the value of IBC? So here IBC is equal to, here I said IBC is equal to IDE plus ICF. So IDE plus ICF. So from this V3 is equal to 11 volts plus IDE plus ICF. So what is the value of IDE plus ICF? That is equal to 4 volts, that is equal to 15 volts. So totally we got all the voltages values. So by applying KVL, Vs, the battery value Vs is equal to VAB plus, so here we can see VAB plus V3. So in this loop, so the voltage is equal to VAB plus V3. As we have solved in the previous, the two loops, in the same way VAB plus VBC. So here VBC is nothing but V3. So that is equal to, so we don't know the value of VAB. So how we found the other values, in the same way we can find this VAB value, that is equal to, by using Ohm's law, IAB into 2 ohms. So here we have 2 ohms resistor. So 2 ohms plus V3 value. What is the value of V3? 11 volts. And now we have the value of IAB, that is equal to 15 volts into 2 plus 11 volts, that is equal to 30 plus 11, that is equal to 41 volts. So finally Vs value, the value of Vs is 41 volts. So in this way we can find the value of the Vs by using KVL and KCL. But also we can find the value of Vs using KCL, KVL, mesh analysis, nodal analysis, many. So we can see further about it in other videos. So next topic is nodal analysis and the mesh analysis.